Okay, so here is your timeline for the rest of our semester and your final portfolio. This week is week 14, so your video and video responses are going to be due Wednesday, November 18th by midnight on Canvas. So just watch these videos and then take the quiz. I just want to make sure that you understand the assignment, so that's what that purpose is for. Thursday is our last required synchronous session. This session is incredibly important to be at because it's our last one, and this is where I'm going to talk you through the final portfolio again and give you tips on how to compile it, how to revise. We're going to go in depth, so you don't want to miss this class. We're going to decompress from Project 3. Again, I'm going to talk to you about your final portfolio, how to choose your material, strategies to include in your revision, and talk you through an outline of writing your reflection essay. Your homework is just going to be to complete a discussion forum that's going to be open for you by Thursday, and it'll be due Sunday, November 22nd at midnight on Canvas. Now, coming into week 15, this is when Thanksgiving break starts, but we're going to have an optional class on Tuesday. Typically, these are going to be my office hours, but I'm going to be available during our normal class time on Tuesday, not Thursday, Tuesday, for workshopping, question and answer. If you have any questions, if you need help looking at something, rethinking something, revising your synthesis essay, this is going to be the time for you to contact me, and I'll be available to talk you through this. Speaking about your synthesis essays, my goal is to have your synthesis essay that you submitted Sunday graded and back to you by Saturday. Okay, it'll probably be sometime Saturday afternoon or evening, but be on the lookout for that. So you'll want to review that, and that's where you can start with your revision. Before we get to Tuesday for week 15, you do have some online work, and it's just going to be focusing on your final portfolio. There's nothing else you need to do. Just focus on your final portfolio, revise that essay, work on your reflection essay, and be thinking about the pieces you want to include. Same thing goes for your homework during Thanksgiving break. You might want to take a couple of days and step away from it. That's fine, as long as you're coming back to it and looking at it with fresh eyes. It might help. And then week 16, your final portfolio is due Thursday, December the 3rd by midnight on Canvas. So here's our timeline. These documents are available on Teams and on Canvas for you to review. And like I said before, this video is going to be available for you to review as many times as you need to make sure you understand the final portfolio assignment and the end of the semester. All right.